Hello, my name is Amar Praladrao Kantule. My topic is the survey and epidemiology of fungal plant diseases from Gautala Forest. I am working under the guide Dr. S.M. Power of Shivaji College, Kannad. My unique code is BOTA 2036. Why I have chosen this topic that because of more than 2000 fungal genera are found in India, that is one third of fungal diversity is found. One third of fungal diversity of global exists in India, and only fraction of fungal wealth has been subjected to scientific study. Means very few study has been taken into consideration, and therefore we have to focus on the fungus which is occurring in the forest because forests are very important part of our nation, and they are helpful for the healthy life, and therefore this most perplexing problem, which is frequently sharing in the normal activity of the forest plant life, the comprehensive morphological, pathological study of this fungus is important. Their host, what are the symptoms of this fungus, their epidemiology, and pathogeneity test we have to study in this research. What are the objectives? Then the objectives of this research is that to take the survey of the fungus occurring on the forest plant of the Gautara sanctuary, then to collect the data in different season of successive studying years because in different season the fungus growth is different. It depend upon the moisture. Then we have to identify and preservation of fungi of the forest plant because the different fungal diseases are there and different fungus are there. Therefore, we have to identify this fungus and we have to preserve this fungus. Then also we have to study the biochemical changes of in healthy and infected plant. Means if a healthy plant is there, what are how its growth take place, and after the affecting the disease, what are the biochemical changes in the plant, root, stem, leaves, its growth, that we have to study. Then also we have to study the how this fungus can be managed, the management of fungal disease, that also we have to study. Then working principle or what are the methods? First, we have to collect the, we have to take the survey of the important plants and which are affected by the disease. No, not all plants are affected by the fungal disease. Only few plants are affected. That we have to take the survey of this plant from the forest. Then we have to identify the different fungal diseases. What are its class, its genus? We have to identify. Then we have to deposit different fungal plant infected with fungal diseases. So this fungal plant, their root, stem, leaves, we have to deposit and we have to study them. Then what are the biochemical changes in infected plant, that what is its growth is happen affected, how its leaves are affected, that we have to study. What is internal changes are taken place in that plant, that also we have to study. Then we have to identify the taxonomic identification of various fungi and what are its class, deuteromycete, ascomycete, basidiomycete, that we have to study. Then targeted outcome in that, the occurrence, symptoms, and host epidemiology of the fungal plant diseases in forest would be studied. Where this fungus occur in a hilly area or in the sandy area, that we have to study. Then we have to study where these symptoms of these plants, then host, its epidemiology, that we have to study. On which plant it occur, what are the effect of this fungus on this plant, that we have to study. Then we have to also study the host pathogen interaction, that after infection of this fungus, what are the interaction take place between host and pathogen, that we have to study because sometimes the plant may die or their growth can be stunted, and therefore biodiversity of the forest can be affected, and therefore some attempts are made to identify these diseases and hence their management. Then changes in the biochemical constitution of fungi due to attack of various fungal disease would be studied. What are its changes? Whether some parts are only damaged or whole tree can be, or whole plant can be destroyed from this fungus, that also we have to study. Then damage caused by fungal diseases of plant, favorable condition which causes the disease and risk factor after infection of disease would be studied. Also we have to study the what are the favorable condition, if moisture is there or other conditions are there, then how this disease can occur in this forest and how it can affect the growth of the different plants, that also we have to study it so that we can save the diversity and plant also. And therefore it is very important to study the fungus, their host, and their role of the fungus in the growth of the plant. Thank you very much.